Mastering vocabulary with glossaries, your ultimate guide. Hello, language learners. Today we're diving into a fantastic resource that can help you enhance your vocabulary skills: glossaries. This is a crucial part of our section on using reference materials in our Advanced English Vocabulary series. With glossaries, you'll be able to understand the meaning of unfamiliar words better and more quickly. So, let's get started. A glossary is a list of terms or words found at the end of a book, article, or any text material. This list provides definitions or explanations for these words, making it an excellent tool for understanding new or subject-specific words that are essential to the text. Remember, glossaries are tailored to the specific content you're reading, making them incredibly helpful for comprehension. To use a glossary, first locate it, usually at the end of a book or document. When you come across a term you're unfamiliar with, flip to the glossary and find the term alphabetically. Read the provided definition, and then return to where you left off in the main text. Using a glossary can significantly aid your understanding of the material and improve your vocabulary in the process. Glossaries are not just for deciphering unfamiliar words. They can help you expand your vocabulary, improve your comprehension of complex topics, and even deepen your knowledge of the subject at hand. The more you use glossaries, the better your understanding of the context and the nuances of language will become. The best way to get comfortable with using glossaries is to practice. Next time you're reading a book or academic article with a glossary, try using it every time you encounter a word you're unfamiliar with. You'll see how much it helps with comprehension and vocabulary building. And there you have it. By using glossaries, you can accelerate your vocabulary learning, improve your reading comprehension, and become a more confident English language user. Remember, language learning is a journey. And with tools like glossaries, you'll be better equipped to handle any bumps along the road. Keep practicing, and you'll see just how valuable glossaries can be.